Hi everyone, this is Connie from Connie's Creative Creations. Today I'm taking part in a really special challenge and I'll get to that in just a moment. Now if you are new here, welcome, and if you're a subscriber already, welcome back. So let's get right into this. Okay, to start with, this is about Christmas and about the real reason for Christmas. And this is a piece of Luan that I had purchased, and I got 3 great big sheets of it, and I had to have it trimmed, and so I've got all these smaller pieces that I can cut out of, and that's what this is. And I'm painting it with Waverly's nautical blue, and that's going to be the backdrop, as well as you'll see what else I end up doing it with it. Now, after I get this painted, I printed off one of my most favorite songs on piece of scrapbook that looks like an old scroll. Now, the song is Mary, Did You Know? Now, I know there's been some controversy about it. I just love the just the grit of it, and I'll read the words to you. And now you can see I'm doing the dry brushing. And it's, Mary, did you know that your baby boy would one day walk on water? Mary, did you know that your baby boy would save our sons and daughters? Did you know that your baby boy has come to make you new? This child you delivered will soon deliver you. Mary, did you know your baby boy will give sight to a blind man? Mary, did you know that your baby boy would calm a storm with his hand? Did you know that your baby boy has walked where angels trod, and when you kiss your little baby, you've kissed the face of God? Mary, did you know? And then it goes on to say, the blind will see, the deaf will hear, the dead will live again. The lame will leap, the dumb will speak, the praises of the Lamb. Mary, did you know that your baby boy is the Lord of all creation? Mary, did you know that your baby boy will one day rule the nations? Did you know that your baby boy was heaven's perfect lamb, and the sleeping child you're holding is the great I am? Oh, Mary, Mary, did you know? Okay, I love those songs. Yes, I believe she knew some of it, but there's no way she could have known every little detail. At least I don't think so. So that's why I just love the song. It's just so genuine, so pure, so simplifying, and just letting her, just asking, did you have any clue? This is what was going to happen with your baby boy. Okay, so I did that up on the paper, and I used my glue stick, and I stuck it down, and then I'm using my Mod Podge to put it over the top, and I wanted the wrinkles to show because this isn't supposed to look like an old scroll. So once I get that done, I've got some of this really fine braided edge. I don't know if I'd call it string, but it's just really pretty, and I'm going to put that all the way around it and then make a loop for a hanger for this. So I will let you watch this, and I hope you guys, if you've never heard of this song, look it up. You can find it on YouTube, right here on YouTube, and you can listen to it. And I just listen to the words. This means so much to me around Christmas time, because I just don't believe that there's any way she could have known all these little details. Yes, she knew a lot of the bigger details, just the little ones. Could you imagine holding your own baby and looking down and kissing its face? You don't know what's in store for your baby, and that's why I don't believe she knew everything. All right, I hope you guys like this. You can finish watching me do this little bit, and we'll get to the next one, or we'll actually get to the information on this collaboration or challenge. Okay, this is the challenge called Reason for the Season, and the host is creating it myself, and that is LaParsha, who is the host. And down in the description box will be her channel link as well as the playlist link. So let's get right back into this. Okay, I took another one of these pieces, and I went ahead and painted it black, and then I decided that I didn't want it black, so I changed it to elephant gray. So this is folk art black, and then I think I changed it to Waverly gray afterwards. So I wanted to go a little bit more deeper in the meaning of this challenge. We wanted to step away from the commercialism of Christmas and go back to the real reason, and that is Christ and what he did for us. And we're celebrating his birthday. Now, of course, that is not actually his birthday. That's just the day that we choose to celebrate it. And we're just taking the commercialism out of it. So that's the only reason we wanted just to focus on the religious Christmas. And that's why we're doing this. So here it is. You can see I've painted it all black. And then I realized what I wanted to do needed it to be this color. So actually I didn't use elephant. I just added some white to that black and made it a gray. Now, I'm taking a stipple brush and I am dry brushing white over the top of the gray because I wanted a lighter surface, but I didn't want it totally white. So I'm just going to go all over this and just completely dry brush this. Now this is about one of my other really favorite Christmas songs, and that is Silent Night. And I love singing it, and I love listening to it, and just reading the lyrics. And I just love Christmas carols. And yeah, so there's a lot of different songs out there, and I just had to pick two of my favorites. Of course, like I said, I love to sing. I love to do Christmas carols. I love to sing gospel, Christian, I just love singing. So once I get this done, I had gone on my Cricut and I had cut out Silent Night, Holy Night, and the manger scene, just with Joseph and Mary and the baby Jesus. And I am just reading this, and I'm getting it all done so I can put it on this plaque. And then when I'm done with that, I've got some red cording, and I'm going to go around the edge, and then I'm going to make a loop at the top, so that it can hang, or I can just sit it. Because even with the other one, you can let it just sit on a shelf, because that loop will fall behind if you're not using it, so it doesn't look like, oh, you're sitting, something should be on the wall. So it doesn't much matter. You can do either way. So, yeah, and this is this project, and yeah, I hope you guys really like these. Now you can see that I am getting the words all on there, and then I'm going to Mod Podge over it, and then I'll put the cording, the red cording over this. Now, if you want to help my channel grow, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and if you hit it twice, you can click the all, and what that's going to do is going to notify you every time I upload a video. Also, if you give me a big old thumbs up, leave me comments. I absolutely love reading the comments. So, and here I am. As you can see, I'm putting that red cording on, and I hope you guys like these, and don't forget to check out the playlist. There's going to be a lot of creators, or there's several creators, and they're going to have some beautiful DIYs. So I just hope you guys really enjoyed this. And if you see anybody this season that look like they're down, even just asking them how they're doing, and maybe just pray for them. Now also, don't forget to call somebody that you know that may be in hard times or having a hard time this season, and just say I love you. Sometimes that makes the biggest difference. Also, you guys all have the most blessed day, week, as well as be the Bible that somebody reads today. Bye.